Hello Junior Learning House, so I am Pats and we're doing another video. So we're doing another maths lesson today. Let's have a look. So this is maths matrix for week 4 and 5. And we've colored in these other squares because we've already done them. So go back and have a look at the videos if you haven't done them yet. And here we go. This is lesson number 4. And this one is called money. So in my book, and I'll show you in a second, I'm going to make a heading for money. And I'm going to write down the date, which is written on your timetable that your teacher sends you every day. And here's the question. How many different ways can you make $20? What different coins, what different notes can you use? Can you use some coins and some notes? Lots of different things to think about with this lesson. So I'm going to show you how I would approach this lesson and what I would do. So make sure you've done the heading and you've done the date. Okay, do that first, pause the video, and then come back. Now, what I would do is I would actually think of this as a bit of a practice for all of your money or the skills or the things that you've learned with money so far. So for example, I would draw like a small coin and I would write a 5 and I would do a little C, and that's a 5-cent coin. Then I would draw a little bit bigger and I would do a 10 and a C. That's a 10-cent coin. Then I would go a little bit bigger again and I would do 20. Do you see what I'm doing so far? I would draw an even bigger circle. You can try and draw all the different sides if you want of a dodecahedron for our 50-cent coin, or you can just draw a big circle because we know that a 50-cent coin is bigger than a 20-cent coin. Then you can draw maybe our gold coins as well. You could draw an S and a line through it for $1, and smaller than that, you can draw an S with a line through it for a $2. So there you go. So there's all our coins. So we're remembering, we're thinking about the different coins. We can see them, which will really help with our learning. Then we've got different notes that we've learned about. So we know big S with a line through it. We've got a $5 note. Then we draw another one, big S with a dollar sign. We've got a $10 note. And then we can draw another one. And we have a $20 note. And maybe do a line once you've done all of the coins. So I would say that that should be the first thing you do with this lesson, is just have a bit of a think. What different coins are there? Draw them all down. That'd be great practice. Now, basically what you're doing is you're putting all this money together to equal, or the answer is $20. So pause the video, draw all of your pictures, and even that's great practice. Do the date, do the heading, and then we'll keep going. So we have to equal $20. So one way to do it, maybe even the easiest way, and you can just draw these, would be if I just do a $20 note. Well, that equals, that's pretty easy. That equals $20, doesn't it? Done. All right. Well, what if we do a $10 note? What do we need to add to $10 to get to 20? We would need another $10. And 10 plus 10 equals, we've done it, 20. That's another way. Let's use another note. Let's use our $5 note. Okay, well, what if we used a $5 note? So we're on $5. Okay, what if we added a $10 note? What would be 5 plus 10? 5, 10, 15. So we're on $15. That's not 20. We need another $5 note. So there you go. There's another one, and that would equal $20 as well. So all of this is good practice for your little strength in your muscles when you're writing and drawing. Also good practice for writing out dollar signs, writing out 20, thinking about maths, addition, or adding. Then you could do, once you've done all of the notes, maybe you could start with coins. All right, well, if I have a $2 coin, how do I get to $20? All right, well, what if I add a $2 coin to a $10 note? Well, then I've got 11, 12, okay? Well, what if I add a $5 note to that? Well, then I'm on 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I still need $3 more. So what if we add a $1 coin and a $2 coin? Does that equal 20? And what I would be doing is as you're, sorry if you can't see that, what I would be doing is as you're going through this, just go back in your mind and count. And you can count like this if you want. 1, 2, and then count 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Count 5, or use your fingers. 17, 18, 19, 20. There you go. So double check your work. And really, if this is all a little bit too hard, even if you're writing out and drawing coins and thinking about how much they all equal, even that is good practice. And if you want to make it a little bit easier, what you could do is instead of making your money equal $20, well, you could do $5. If you want to make it harder, you could do $10. If you want to make it even harder than this, you could do $50. So different things that you can do. Maybe if you're just starting out with money, just try and equal $1. What coins can you use to equal $1? Once you can do that, what coins can you use to equal $2? What coins can you use to equal $5? And so on. Lots of different things you can do when you're learning about money. But that's it. So the best thing is that we get to go back to our homework sheet and we get to highlight it because we have now done that one. So the next math lesson that we'll see will be number 5, problem solving. But that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and make sure your parent or your carer can take a photo and send us a picture if you can. We'll see you for another lesson very soon. Bye.